Last week, the High Court stayed the release of the 20 million shillings MPs had been given as part of the COVID-19 response supplementary budget to facilitate their activities during the fight. The stay came after MPs Gerard Karuhanga of Ntungamo Municipality and Jonathan Odul of Erute County petitioned the court challenging the legality of Parliament's decision to allocate itself the 10 billion shillings of the supplementary budget. High Court Judge Michael Ubu has today ordered MPs to return to public use the funds they received.
It is ordered that this application, 1, is withdrawn, and 2, that the funds be dispersed pursuant, that the funds that had been dispersed are utilized as proposed by Council.
The order followed a consensus reached in court this afternoon by the Parliamentary Commission representatives, the Attorney General's chambers, MPs Jonathan Odul and Gerard Karuhanga, that the money should not be kept on MPs' individual bank accounts, but rather returned to public control, either through the Parliamentary Commission or depositing it with the national or district COVID-19 response task forces.
Issue the money to the district task force, the national task force, and return to the commission. Okay.
There's an account in the Bank of Uganda for the Clerk to Parliament, which any MP who wishes to refund the money can send the money to. Number 2, an MP can send the money to a CAO, a district chief accounting officer, in order that it may be used by a district task force. 3, an MP who doesn't have a district, who is a special interest MP, can send the money to the national COVID-19 task force.
Some members of parliament have been purporting to donate trays of eggs, and some have been mixing millet with maize flour, and they have been giving. So that has now been cleared by court. You have to refund in cash. You cannot hide under donations that you have supported your people.
Karuhanga asked MPs that have already used the 20 millions to find a way to return the money.
It's now no longer going to be any member of parliament spending this money, but the officials, the public officials, the public accounting officials.
Karuhanga and Odul are now left with the main case in which they question the manner in which MPs amended the supplementary budget to allocate themselves 10 billion shillings.
There is still the pending judicial review matter. That matter is also of public interest. It's very important that the judiciary is given an opportunity to examine, as is its constitutional mandate.
The 10 billion shillings for MPs in the COVID-19 supplementary stirred public criticism and also saw the Speaker disagree with the Attorney General's advice to the House on the same issue. Juma Kiria, NTV.